Okay, so for the first socket, number 1 is a 10-pin connector. Backup camera and Bluetooth antenna goes here. The second socket is a 6-pin. It's for USB 1. The next socket is a 4-pin. It's for USB 2. The number 4 socket is an 8-pin, and it's intended for your CAN bus decoder. Number 5, this is a 12-pin, and this is for your multi-view 360-degree panoramic camera system. The last connector is a 20-pin, and it's intended for your AV cable. Your last connector is your ISO connector. Over here is your 4G coaxial, and this is a screw-in type connector. And there's your GPS. It's a similar coaxial female that has a screw to keep it from pulling off, okay? And they have a 5G, but you don't use that. You use a 4G. They also have the antenna connection that I talked to you about right there, and that's where your antenna for your FM, AM radio goes.